Hey Double Dippers, we're going to be taking on a room tour of the 2-bedroom suite here. We don't actually know the name of it because this was gifted to us because of things we'll address in another video. But you'll be able to see it. We'll figure it out and we'll put the room tour in the title. So you'll have already know what the room tour is of because we put it in the title. But just know that we don't know because they never told us, they just put us in the room. But it's a fireworks view room. But we're gonna start. Here is the front entrance where you come in. We actually have 3 doors to our suite. This is the middle door. So if you come in through like the middle, the main entrance, you first have this very big closet here. Got an iron, some hangers. There were robes here. But we've already put those robes on and worn them around. And there were slippers too. And we've worn the slippers. We'll probably put it, because we filmed some of our initial coming to here. So you'll see that stitched in. So see how the room was somewhat when we first came in, but we're going back in now to fill in all the details. So here's the first bathroom. Just kind of your standard tub and toilet here. That fan is automatic. You can turn it off right here. Here's a light. You can turn that, because that fan's automatic unless you hit the button here. Then you got this really nice sink. I really like the big mirror here. You can kind of tell the little outline's a little old, a lot of little scratches and stuff on it. Still nice looking. Same with these little lamps, as far as like the nice looking. Got your standard, these mirrors that are always in bathrooms and stuff. Nice little painting here. The sinks, you got 2 sinks right next to each other, which I've never been in a hotel with stuff like that. Now you've only got 2 amenities here. This is all full of stuff like this. But in my bathroom, they're still mostly full, so I'll show you that. Kona's coming to join us for our room tour here. Oh, we definitely don't want him going in the bathroom. So we're gonna continue on down. Hopefully Kona will continue with us. Here's Grant. Here is the main like room here. I mean, look at this area. I mean, when you come in, because you can see the contemporary is right there, and it's nighttime, so it's all lit up right now. Now we did laundry today. That's why all this stuff is here. You got this cabinet, which is really, it's kind of like cartoonish fancy. Like you got these little, what do you call that? Like fake diamond handles here with this like plastic gold outlining here. But I still think it looks somewhat fancy. Here's the table. There's the couch, which is also a couch bed that pulls out. Got a little lamp. Nice. I really like these pictures they've got in here, especially this one, which is signed. But I'm a big fan of this picture here where you can really see like a little strokes and stuff alongside of it. But again, this view, oh, here's a little chandelier above. But this view, especially this right here, even if the curtains upon like closer inspection kind of seem a little tacky for a room of like this price and this fanciness, I still think it looks nice. It definitely adds overall, and you can't really beat that view looking straight out at the contemporary right there. And of course, we have 2 balconies, but you can also watch the firework from this room right here. You can see the fireworks right there. Then you got this really fancy table right here, which I'm a big fan of. This cake, when we first came in, was sitting in here because we got a cake ordered for Anna's birthday to be here on arrival. And it was sitting right here and as soon as we came in. You got these really nice chairs. I love the backs on these chairs. It's very nice, very fancy looking. Got nice like leather seating here. Here's the big TV. You got a fridge in here. Little mini refrigerator. We stacked with some Diet Dr. Peppers. I actually haven't looked in here. Okay, so it's just drawers. Bunch of drawers that you have to wait for the door to open all the way or pull out all the way. You got all of our stuff that we've piled or stocked the countertop here. This ganachery was here for us when we came. I'm not sure if that's like a room thing, because like this was for the birthday. What did I say?
Ganachery?
Is that the proper one?
Ganachery.
Thanks for the correction, Molly. But I'm not sure if that's like with the room or if that was just for us sort of thing. Because this we ordered, but this was just kind of here. You can also see the what do you call this? What is this called, Anna?
A tray?
Tray, that's the word. That they used to deliver the cake here with, which they kind of just left when they brought it. But anyway, we're moving on now. Hey, Kona. You a big fan of this room, Kona? You like this room so much? I really like this carpet, too. All these little patterns going alongside of it. It's very, you kind of those, this is a somewhat older suite, but still a nice looking suite. They definitely kept it up. Kona's opening the cabinet so he can get in for us here. So now we're gonna continue to my room. This is the room that I've been staying in, which you can tell by all my clothes kind of laying out here. I actually have cleaned up somewhat. I just forgot to fold the bed back over. And here's all of my fancy clothes that I put, because here's my laundry, because I'm not the best at upkeeping with stuff. But let's move beyond that, and let's go over to our first balcony for today. Now I'm gonna have to find the light switch, because I have forgotten where it is. Is there a light switch for out here? Or is it just kind of a, you see it sort of deal? It's very dark, but there does not appear to be a light switch above us, so I guess it's just supposed to be like lit up by like natural lighting, like it's just when the sun's out. So I might show this all to you again. Is that? Oh yeah, that's the Transportation Chicken Center. That's Polynesian. Oh, Kona's here. You can't see him that well. And over there is the Magic Kingdom. You can see a boat leaving from the marina, which is right over there. There's the train station for Magic Kingdom, and there's the Contemporary. Oh look, there's the moon. Well, you can't see it, but I can see the moon's like straight ahead. It's almost like a, it's very orange looking, the moon. Grant, see how orange the moon looks?
Yeah.
It's interesting. There's the, you can see, you probably can't, actually you can't even see my finger, but I can see the silhouette of the Wilderness Lodge straight ahead right here. But we're gonna head back inside where we can actually see some stuff, because it's nighttime here. People are putting on robes as I continue my video throughout here. You got this really nice mirror right here. Again, kind of the, like, you can kind of tell this is somewhat old here, but it's still nice. It's what I really like about this place. Oh, that's a really nice chandelier. I don't really look up a whole lot, so I don't notice that. What I think makes this place seem a lot nicer than it might otherwise is the high ceilings. What really makes the room feel open and huge. Kona loves it, and it just makes the room feel so much bigger. That's why walking in is such an experience, because you come through this little narrow hallway, and then the room just opens up into this huge view where you can look out over the Contemporary. So let's go back in here to my room. So these beds, they're kind of squeaky, a little bit uncomfortable. I actually had to switch out because they have all these huge pillows here. I actually had to get the smaller pillow from the closet because I could hardly fit my head. Like, look how big these are. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell from the video, but that pillow is a lot thicker than this one. It's easier to get my head under. And I also grabbed the blanket from the closet because it's not very thick sheeting, but I still get good sleep overall here, and I'm not that great. I'm very light sleeper. Got some more storage right here. Here's your in-room dining menu. You're looking at the breakfast options right now, but you can flip it open for dinner. Here's like the kids' meals here. Desserts are at the bottom, and then you got your drink selection on the back here. Now I'm gonna continue over. There's a laundry basket my mom's taken away to the bathroom. Kind of same setup. Again, I apologize for the mess. I just haven't had any time to clean it up. That's why we've like been prolonging this video, because we were trying to make it look somewhat nicer, but please do not do that, Kona. But I just haven't, we've been very busy. It's a very busy trip we've had here, but again, this is the same setup as the first bathroom you saw, so there's no difference, and Kona is going through the trash. So I might pause this video and return back to you guys in a bit. All right, as everyone is sitting here on the couch, I'm now gonna take you into the master bedroom here. You got a nice little painting of the Grand Floridian as you first come in here. My dad is laying on the bed here. Is this bed comfortable, Daddy?
It's okay.
It's okay, according to him. The little lamp, little nightstand here. It's a king bed. In the room, mine were 2 queen beds, I figured out. Here's a little nice, this cabinet has a little G and F for Grand Floridian on it. Very nice little touch there. Got a big TV to watch from your bed. Here is the other balcony, and again, it's really dark, so you can't see a whole lot. I mean, it's the same basic idea. I might do another video where I show you this like during the day, so you can see it better. If I can get it unlocked. Because it's very dark out here. But, and you got this nice, because we're in like the triangle. If you're looking out from outside, there's like this big triangle in like the middle of each building. That's the kind of suite we're in here. We got this little, the window in the middle, which is the main living room area I showed you earlier. So here's looking out over, I believe Seven Seas Lagoon is the main lagoon. So that's where that's looking out over. Little nice chair. 2 chairs and a little table outside. I don't know if you can see them because again it's dark, so I might kind of show you during the daytime. But you do have to shut these doors, because if you don't, as the sign, which you may not be able to read, says here, patio doors must be closed for heating or cooling to operate. This one was actually discovered, it's a little bit off its hinges at the bottom, so you can't open it all the way. It only opens partly, otherwise it's gonna come further off the hinges. But here's another quick look. See, this is what I mean by like the high ceilings, really opening the room up and making it feel a lot bigger than it is. And then this bathroom is more of the same, but I'll still show you. And again, the closet's also the same. A little safe in this one though. And then you got your pillow blanket hangers. There's my mom's luggage. Here's their bathroom. Again, sorry for the mess. There's just nowhere to put it. Oh, I forgot to show you the all different amenities in the other room. I will say one of them that I won't show you because I already used it. And there's their bathroom, which is handicap accessible, so it's got some handicap stuff, which doesn't normally come with the room, but you can ask. They just put a little chair in here for my dad. But here's their shower. Same little like tub, toilet, then the little changeable shower head, curtain rod, towel. Same deal there. But I'll say one of the amenities that I've already used is it comes with a little shaving kit, but I wouldn't recommend using it. Because I use it and you can maybe see right here, it cut me like a lot. So it's not that high quality. So it's like only if like you really need to and you just cannot. I don't really see any circumstance where you need to use it because you can just go buy better shaving equipment elsewhere. So you can see it, I've used it, I still have it sitting right here. This is the soap, face soap container, but here's the shaving cream. It's chic, but it's not very good. I guess we've already used a lot of the amenities because I'm now realizing they're out. But this one comes with dental kit, so toothbrush and toothpaste. We got some more in here. Shower cap, vanity kit. So this has like Q-tips and cotton pads and a nail file in here. So actually, let me open that up and show it to you real quick. Got some cooling gel, another shower cap. A lot of it's like kind of like repeat, but it can be convenient for some things. So here's what the cotton pads, Q-tips, and there's a nail file in there looks like. There's a little tissue box in the corner here, towels again, and I believe that's it. I know this is a very quick room tour, but we're just super busy, but I still wanted to kind of show you because we're probably never gonna be able to have the opportunity to show this all to you again. So I'm sorry this is a little quick and I probably couldn't show this from the best angles, couldn't clean everything up for you. But I had to get this to y'all because there's no other way we could get it to you because we probably won't be staying here again. But I wanted to show that to y'all. And this is a really cool room. And wouldn't y'all say this is really cool, right?
Oh, yeah.
Kona playing with little. Oh, I forgot to mention a little coffee stand here.
An espresso machine, because that's very important.
Espresso machine. I don't know anything about coffee, so just look at this and.
It's an espresso machine, not coffee. It gives you that much, and then you have to like dilute it down, or you'll have a caffeine high. It's super expensive, like super expensive coffee.
I'll take her word for it because I don't know any different. Kona loves the cups though. You loving those cups, Kona? Yeah, he is. So there, you can kind of see the little guide telling you right there what it's all about. Got your creamer and all that stuff, I assume. I don't really know. And that is, oh, got a little desk here with the cake. Ganachery? Ganachery, mommy? Ganachery. I got it that time. Oh, little, here's like one of the little waste baskets here. And here's a mirror where I will say, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed a little crazy just because of what we're doing. But thanks for watching. We have some other room tours if you'd like to check those out. We did the Saratoga Treehouse room tour, which Grant did. Didn't you, Grant? So you can check that out. And you can also check out what it was like during our stay here. We went to all 4 parks for the week. So I hope you check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot, but Kona's throwing all the stuff off the bed now. It's chaotic in here, but I hope you enjoyed Double Dippers, and that's it for this video.